Hi, hello friends, welcome everyone to Precision Price Action Pro Trader series. Today we are going to discuss about a very simple concept of strategy. Can you travel on a sea? Can you travel on a ship without a mariner's compass? Can you travel from a single location to another location, an unknown location without a map? What would happen? So, when you don't have a strategy or plan for investing and trading, okay, you are not supposed to trade. Many times my students, they just buzz me. Hi Ashok, I have taken this trade, I took it at this point, I had put this place as stop loss, this is my target, I don't know what price is doing. You know, they don't talk like that. They will say, Ashok, I have entered here, I don't know what to do. If you don't know what to do, then you should not do. Always I tell traders, when you make a trade, when you buy something at 100 rupees, you should know clearly where is your stop loss, where is your target. You should also know why you are trading. If you don't know that, you are not supposed to trade. You are gambling. Correct? You are gambling. The whole purpose of having a disciplined strategy is that your probability of success will multiply. Make a note of this beautiful book by Van Tharp, Super Trader. I repeat, Super Trader by Van Tharp. It is one of the finest psychology books ever written in the world of financial markets. In that book, Van Tharp tells you, even if you don't have a strategy, if you have a process, which means even if you don't have a proper trading model, if you have a disciplined process, okay, bunch of rules, there is a probability for you to win. That is why they say plan your trade, trade your plan. Share market is not about when to enter. It is not just about when to exit. No. Share market is all about when to enter, when to exit, when to stop loss. When you enter first time, what should be a lot size? When you are in profit, what should be a lot size? What percentage of your portfolio should be your total risk? What portion of your total portfolio should be your position sizing? What is your betting size? Okay, what is your win rate? What is your risk reward? What is your Kalmar ratio? What is your recovery factor? There are hundreds of factors. Trading is not just buy, sell, target. No, it is not. When you make a strategic roadmap, you should put everything in place. How does people go to war? When they go to a war, they will have plan A. They will schedule the entire plan A into 10 tons of pieces. In plan A, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. These are the 6 different processes that needs to be followed. In the journey, when a small component of plan A fails, they will go to plan B. If plan B fails, there will be plan C. Same thing with trading. You need to know everything well in advance. Anybody who buzzes me, even my students, first of all, I don't respond to non-students when they ask me for tips and all. I don't believe in tips. I have never given a single tip ever in my life. I repeat, I have never given a single tip ever in my life. I will never do this show off stunts of buy here, stop loss here. Sorry. I will not trade on Twitter and Telegram. I trade on terminal. I don't believe in tips because tips are meaningless for me. They have no identity, no sanctity, no integrity. Okay, when one of my student calls me, I'll ask him, why did you buy? Where is your stop loss? Where is your target? If he say, I don't know, then you should not have traded. Then I ask, Ashok, what do I do now? So do whatever you want. Don't ask me. It is your money. How can I suggest what you should do with your money? You do whatever you want with your money. If you have doubts, I can explain you why something happened, why price went down, why volume is less here, what is open interest telling, what does seasonality say. These are the technical aspects we can discuss. Only amateurs talks about trade. Legends talks about process. Have a look at this chart. This is a beautiful chart of Nifty. Hope it is Nifty. Yeah, it's an old chart nevertheless. Okay, this is the 2007 high. This is the peak of 2011, just before the Greece crisis. Okay, if you take this peak and if you take the next peak, this one, this is the point of breakout from 6000 levels. This is almost like what? 8 years. If somebody had invested here, in 8 years he would have got zero, Babaji ka. Okay. So the fact of the matter is, whenever you initiate a trade, you need to have a process. There are people who make money with the most simplest of strategies, 20-day moving average. There are people. Out of 100 people, 99 will not make money with 20-day moving average. One guy will definitely make. But the credit of his success should not go to moving average, but to that fellow who trades. Why? Because when Kohli hits a century or Rohit Sharma hits a century, you don't give credit to Rohit Sharma's bat. You give credit to Rohit Sharma himself. Because it is Rohit Sharma who hit a century. May not be with that bat, he would hit a century with any other bat. That is the whole point. So don't give credits to indicators. Okay? Nobody made a fortune with indicators, only trainers made a fortune with indicators. That much I can tell you. So the fact of the matter is, if you don't have a process in place, you should not trade. The whole idea of this video is to tell you that anybody who takes a trade without clear entry, exit, stop loss, target, trailing stop loss, you are gambling. When somebody teaches you trading, ask them how to trade, what should be the position sizing, what should be the money management rules, what is the risk management. There are a host of integrated stuff. When you assemble all these aspects together, it becomes mature trading. That's when you will be called as a seasoned trader. I get a lot of people walking into my office. They'll say, sir, I'm a good trader, I need money to trade. I said, fine, how much money you want? 5 lakhs, 10 lakh, 25 lakhs, 50. People have asked me 1 crore also. All I'll ask them is, what is the risk? Sir, risk is about 20%, so 20 lakhs. Okay. Tomorrow transfer 20 lakhs to my account. I'll give you 1 crore account to trade. The day you lose 20%, we'll close the shop. If you make profit, we will share. Arey sir, all risk is on me. Naturally, because you are the trader, why should I take the risk? You give me nominal profit share, you take big profit, no problem. You give me anything above 18-25%, you make double, na, you do rest of the money. Out of 100 guys who walks in, who calls me, hardly 5 respond or max 10. When I say, okay, send me the money, I am going to give you an account, again another 5 people will run away. I have given account to 2-3 people, none of them have performed well. And we are very clear, I have a in charge person, he will cut off the accounts. I am very sharp these days. I have stopped losing money based on others' mistakes. Because let me do those mistakes myself, no? Why should I allow you to do the mistakes? Let me do those mistakes myself, let me learn from the markets. I will tell that is the fees that I give to the market to learn it. Okay? So the bottom line, the crux of this whole conversation is you should have a clear structure with respect to trading. If not, you should never trade. I never respond even to my students if they ask me, Ashok, what should I do with it? I will tell them, I don't know. You discover. People who come into any conversation with me, they should not ask me about trades. I will never answer. I have proven them myself. I don't have to prove myself to people. I manage about 10 crores fund. It's exposed to everybody. All my students knows it. They all know how we trade, what we trade. So we don't have to prove ourselves to people by giving tips. And anybody who gives tips to prove their ability, he is not a seasoned trader. He's an amateur. Process is what defines a seasoned trader, and that is what I have learned in the last 60 months of full-time trading life. In the subsequent videos, we will talk about lot more interesting topics. Until then, signing off, Ashok from Traders Gurukul. Here is a quick announcement. Traders Conclave 2022, one of the largest residential conference is happening in Bangalore for stock market traders and investors. For the first time in history, about 100 trainers and mentors across India are joining us. Okay, you will have the biggest opportunity to meet all those mentors, talk to them, collaborate with them, discuss with them, get inspired by them. The prices have been kept very, very low. For more details, log into the website tradersconclave.com, and there will be some amazing sessions. Also, we are coming out with a brilliant event called Gurukul Premier League. For the first of its kind knowledge competition for all retail traders, and we are going to identify the top 10 superstars in that event. Don't miss it. I look forward to see you in Traders Conclave. Thank you very much.
Are you tired of stock market losses? Tired of hundreds of boring indicators and the frequent drawdowns? Do you want to understand how to trade markets without indicators? How institutions cheating the retail traders, and how to make fair and consistent trading methods? The answer is IT3T Mega Webinar, India's most comprehensive and 100% money back guarantee training program for stock market investing and trading. And what do you learn from this webinar? Techno fundamental investing, WD GAN techniques, precision price action trading, the option trading strategies, algo trading, and also trading psychologies. So it is a package of 200 world-class investing and trading books jam-packed into the 12 days of webinar. And what you can expect from IT3T: genuine training program with examples and assignments, no indicators, real-life examples, proven and reliable methods. And what you shouldn't be expecting is holy grail formulas, zero loss strategies, 90% win rate stories, get quick rich Ponzi schemes. And we also have students across the globe. The three things IT3T always promises is 100% money back guarantee program, 100% brokerage credit, 100% lifetime learning. But that's not it. We have an early bird offer for you at just 35,000 rupees for first 25 students. So how do you enroll the IT3T program? Simple. Just log on to www.i3t3.in or contact our webinar manager